My name is Thomas Ward from San Juan, Puerto Rico. In 2013, I opened Floyd's Urban Barbacoa in Orlando, Florida. Quality is at the heart of what we do at Floyd's. We take a traditional barbecue approach and put our own spin on international flavors. Finding the right specific cuts of meat that have the right consistency and quality is crucial. I've been working with Hellmanns for the last 5 years. You want to make sure that you can execute with quality products like Hellmanns Mayonnaise. Texture-wise, it's consistent because it works well with different temperatures. It's really important for us to be consistent with our product because it's Thomas Ward behind the recipe and people know it. To do it with the best product possible so that it's consistent when people even take it for delivery or for takeout. It's crucial that you use the best when somebody's eating it at home 30 minutes later. Customers expect a specific flavor. We don't change the winning formula. Hellmanns Mayonnaise has great quality, so that makes the recipe already a success.